Let's take out the Lepsi Pro and USB 3.0 cable from the product package. Connect Lepsi Pro to computer by USB 3.0. Then take out the set of probes from the product package. The probe color should correspond to the color marking on the main units. Align the brown and red positions and attach the probe. And pick out the brown, red, orange, and yellow probes. The end of the brown wire to PG0. The end of the red wire to PG1. The end of the orange wire to PG2. The end of the yellow wire to PG3. Now we have completed the layout of environments. It's time to open the software and start measuring I2C signal. Select Mode from the menu bar and select Pattern Generator function. Click Open Pattern File. Open the file of I2C from the main screen. Set up memory tabs, sampling frequency, trigger position, and trigger condition. Then press a single capture icon. Press PG function start icon. Waveform area will display the waveform. Click Display All icon. Then save it. When the waveform was measured, press right click on the channel. Click the Add Protocol decoder. Click I2C and Next. Set up pin assignment. And select Don't Stop Analyzing when next appears. Press Next for decoding. The waveform will be increased to display packets. Click Packet List. Check I2C content. If you're interested in our product, please click the link below. Thank you.